My dear students, in the operation research, the subject, the module 4, there are two parts. One is PERT and CPM. Last class we discussed about the PERT and CPM. That part is over. The next part in the module 4 is queuing theory. Queuing theory. A queue of people waiting for service is generally seen in front of railway booking offices, theatres, post offices, banks, hospitals, and so on. Queues are also present in situations such as machines waiting to be repaired, telephone calls arriving at customer care center, aircrafts waiting to take off or land, files waiting to be processed and dispatched by the clerk, and so on. Whatever may be the case, a queue is said to occur when the rate at which the demand arises or exceeds the rate at which the service is disposed. In other words, the information of the queue occurs whenever the demand for a service exceeds the capacity to provide the necessary service. Queuing theory, the syllabus contains queuing systems and their characteristics, pure birth and pure death models, all equations, Kendall and Lee's notations for queuing, empirical queuing models, numericals on M bar 1 and M bar C queuing models. Now let us see what is these models, everything in the detail. Queues are a part of everyday life. We all wait in the queues to buy a movie ticket, to make bank deposit, pay for groceries, mail a package, obtain a food in a cafeteria, to have a ride in an amusement park, and have become adjustment to wait, but still get annoyed by unusually long waits. A study of queues becomes very much important in the present day world, where customer satisfaction is important for the success of any organization. Therefore, whenever you want to satisfy the customers, the study of that queue is very much important. On the other hand, customers arriving should be served as soon as possible, but on the other hand, the company cannot afford to have too many servers. The cost will increase. Therefore, decisions have to be taken regarding the service facility and its capacity to serve the varying demand patterns. Queuing theory, it basically deals with the analysis of the queues, queuing behavior. It helps in arriving at decisions which are aimed at balancing the cost of service and the cost of associated with the customers waiting for service. These are the things we should know. They are helpful for determining how to operate a queuing system in the most effective way. If too much service capacity to operate the system involves excessive cost, the models enables finding an appropriate balance between the cost of service and the amount of waiting. Input source, queue discipline, service mechanism, and served units. These are the main things. One is the input source, queue discipline, service mechanism, and served one. These are the different parts of a queuing model. Queuing theory, therefore, is a quantitative technique which consists of constructing mathematical models for various types of queuing systems. The queuing methodology also explores and suggests the optimum usage of existing manpower and other resources to improve the customer service. It can also indicate the cost implications if the existing service facility has to be improved by adding more servers. Although the queuing theory does not solve the problems, it provides the management necessary information to take the relevant decisions to cut the service cost or to improve the customer satisfaction. These are the main importance of the information required to solving the queuing problems. You know that The customer, number of servers, queuing discipline, arrival time, service time. Under this customer population you should see. Customer population, finite or infinite. Number of servers, single or multiple, you should know it. Under multiple again you have to see finite or infinite. Again infinite you can see series or parallel. Queuing discipline, first come first serve, FCFS system, or priority basis, or random. These are the different disciplines what we can observe in a queue. Arrival time distribution and service time distribution. Different types of distributions are used: Poisson distribution, constant distribution, general distribution, and Erlang distribution. Which one is important, you can use it. These are the different informations required for solve the problems. Elements of the queuing system. A queuing system can be interpreted completely by the following entities: input or arrival pattern. Second, the service mechanism or service pattern. Mechanism or a service pattern. The queuing process, the queuing discipline, service channels. Now let us see what is the input or arrival pattern. This indicates the pattern in which the potential customers arrive at the service facility. It indicates the pattern in which the potential customers arrive at the service facility. The customers arrive at the service facility individually or in batches, separated by the equal intervals of time, or by unequal but definitely known intervals of time, or by unequal intervals of time, whose probabilities are known as random arrivals. Arrivals may also be presented by inter-arrival time, or time period between two successive arrivals. In this queuing system, we deal with the customers arrive in Poisson distribution with the mean arrival rate A. These are the input pattern in which the potential customers arrive at the service facility. The customers arrive at the service facility individually or in a batches. These are separated by the equal intervals of time, or by unequal but definitely known intervals of time, or unequal intervals of time, whose probabilities are known as random arrivals. This is called as the elements of a queuing system. Arrival pattern. This is called as the characteristics of the queuing system. Second one is generally the customers arrive in a random fashion to join a queue. The time duration between each customer's arrival is known as inter-arrival time, and this follows some probability law. That is, you should know that. Assume that customers arrive in a Poisson fashion. In other words, customers are imaginated to arrive in a pattern where the arrival rate is said to be Poisson in distribution, whereas the interval times is said to be exponential in distribution. Mean customer arrival rate is considered as lambda. Arrival rate is considered as a lambda. Now next is service mechanism. The number of servers available in the system and the speed at which they serve the customers have a big bearing on the queuing system. The pattern indicates the manner in which the potential customers are serviced and leave the service facility. If enough service facility is available, then the customers are served simultaneously and effectively on arrival, and there will be no queue. If there are finite number of service facilities, then the customers are served as per the specific order with the service time. Period to be successive services. The service time could be a constant or random variable. In most of the cases, the departure follows exponential probability distribution. In most of the cases, the departure follows exponential in distribution. The time taken by the server to service a customer is known as the service time, and is also known as some probability rule. The mean service is denoted by mu. Rate is denoted by mu. Queuing process. This refers to the number of queues, single, multiple, or priority queues. If the service provider failed to accommodate the customers, if the service provider failed to accommodate the customers beyond the limit at a time, beyond the if provider failed to accommodate the customers beyond the limit at a time, no customer is permitted to enter until the sufficient space is available to accommodate the new customers. Such queues are finite or limited source queues. If a service facility is able to accommodate all the customers at a time, if a service facility is able to accommodate all the customers at a time, then it is called infinite or unlimited source queue. Number of queues, single, multiple, or priority basis. Fail to accommodate the customers beyond the limit at a time, no customer is permitted to enter until the sufficient space is available to accommodate the new customers. These are called as the finite. Or we can call it as priority rule, and customers behavior also be considered. Queuing process or discipline. Queue discipline. The queuing discipline, this indicates the sequence or order in which the customers from the queue are selected for the service. This is the indicates the sequence in order in which the customers from the queue are selected for the process. Selected for the service. The most common disciplines are FCFS, first come, first serve, in which the customers are chosen for services in their order of arrival. Second, last come, first served, LCFS, in which the last arrived customer served first, as in case of cargo handling. 0. Discipline. Service in random order, wherein the customers is chosen for service at random, irrespective of their arrival at the system. The random order. If he comes first, he may be served later. If he comes late, he may be served first. This is called as a system where it is not at all Service channels. In order to serve the incoming customers, finite number of service facilities are arranged and are called service channels. In order to serve the incoming customers, finite number of service facilities are arranged and are called service channels. The service channel may be arranged either in series or mixed arrangements. In series arrangement, number of the service channels may be arranged either in series or mixed arrangements. In series arrangement, number of service facilities are arranged in the sequence so that customer proceed through each facility ahead of the service is accomplished. In parallel arrangement, number of service facilities are in parallel so that customer can obtain from any service. Customer go and enter any number of servers facility, proceed through each facility ahead of the service. In parallel arrangement, number of service facilities are in parallel so that customer can obtain here from any service facility by joining in the queue of their choice in front of the service facility. In mixed arrangement, number of service facilities are arranged in series as well as in parallel. Either the system will be arranged in terms of parallel. Sometimes they will go to the other queue also. They are parallel so that the customer can obtain any source facility by joining the queue their choice in front of the service facility. Mixed arrangement. Number of service facilities are arranged in series as well as in parallel. Characteristics of the queuing system. Following are the operating characteristics of a queuing system. The average number of customers in the queue waiting to get the service is called as a queue length. System length. The average number of customers in the system, including those waiting as well as those being served. Waiting time in the queue, the average time for which customer has to waiting for the queue to get the service. It's a waiting time in a queue, W, every time for which the customer has to wait. System length, average number of customers in the system, including those waiting as well as those being served for the service. First service to okay, one is queue length, average number of customers. One is queue length, average number of customers in the system, including those waiting as well as those being used, being served. The average time for which customers are the average time for wait time in the queue, average time for which a customer has to wait. Total time in the system, the average total time spent by a customer in the system from the instant he arrives till he leaves the system. Average total time spent by a customer in the queue from the instant he arrives till he leaves the system, arriving and leaving the system. It is the summation of waiting time and the service time. waiting time and service time. Utilization factor. It is the proportion of the time a server actually spends with the customers. It also called as traffic intensity. It's very, very important. It is the proportion of the time a server actually spends with the customers. It is also called as traffic intensity. It is also called as server actually spends with the customer traffic intensity. Total time is equal to summation of waiting time plus and the service time. Classification of queuing models. Depending on various possibilities as suggested by Kendall's notation, the common queue models that are normally served can be classified. Queuing models are classified as follows. Model 1, the number of days with the queuing system having single queuing system, a single server, Poisson arrival distribution, Poisson departure, and served it in the system on basis of the first come first served on basis of first come first service discipline. In this, infinite number of customers are allowed to the in the system. First model is this one. A model deals with a queuing system having a single server, Poisson distribution, Poisson departure on basis of the first come first served basis. In this, infinite number of customers are in the first model is a general queuing model in which the arrival and service data depends upon a the general queuing model, which the arrival and service rates depend upon the length of the queue. Second one is it's a first come first serve basis. The model essentially same as model 1 except that the service is 0. Service run order is by instead of FCFS. This is the model third. Model first MM1 or model D with the system having a single server. Poisson error distribution is used on a basis of first come first serve discipline. In this, infinite number of customers are allowed in the system. Second one is a general queuing model in which the arrival and service rates depend upon the length of the queue. Second one is the model essentially same as except that service discipline is 0, random order instead of FCFS. Fourth, in this model, the capacity of the system is limited by say n, or hence the number of arrivals cannot exceed n. In this model, the capacity of the system is in this model the capacity system is limited say n, hence the number of arrival cannot exceed n. Essentially same as model except that service discipline is 0, instead of in the random order. In this, the capacitor system is limited by n, and hence the number of arrival cannot exceed n. Fifth model. In this model, the probability of an arrival depends upon the number of potential customers. The probability of an arrival depends upon the number of probability of an arrival depends upon the number of potential customers available entire system. Sixth, this model is the same as model except that there is no service model 6th. This model same as model 1 except there are service channels are working in parallel. These are all some of the different models Kendall notations. Kendall's notations. Who developed the equations for model 1 and 2 Kendall's notations? In 1951, Kendall introduced a set of notations which have become standard in the literature of queuing models. A general queuing system is noted by A bar, B bar, C and D is to E. Now let us see Kendall's notations, classification of the queuing models using Kendall and Lee notation. Generally, any queuing models may be classification of the queuing models, Kendall and Lee notations. Generally, any queuing model may be completely specified the following symbolic form: A, B, C is to D, I, E. A is equal to type of distribution of interval time, type of distribution of interval service time, it is a B. C, number of servers. A bar, B bar, C bar is to D bar E. Type of distribution of interval time, type of distribution in inter-service time, number of servers, capacity of the systems, queuing discipline, and these are the things you should know in Kendall notations. Annual time follows a Poisson distribution, service time follows an exponential distribution. It is a M. The queuing discipline, different disciplines will study. These are the plus notation. Now let us see what is the pure birth and pure death process model.